Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Nest Mini and your source device so pairing goes smoothly. Make sure the speaker is powered and updated. Open the Google Home app and select the Nest Mini, then enable Bluetooth in device settings. On your phone or laptop, turn Bluetooth on and set it to discoverable. Close other audio apps to avoid conflicts. Once pairing mode is permitted in the app, move to your source's Bluetooth selector and search for the Nest Mini name shown. You're ready for the connection step. Now you actively pair from your phone or computer. Open Bluetooth settings, scan, and choose the Nest Mini entry. If prompted, approve pairing on both devices. You'll hear a confirmation chime from the Mini when the link is established. After that, make sure the Nest Mini is selected as the audio output in the app you're using or in system sound settings, because some apps require manual output selection. Once done, start playback and adjust volume on either device to test audio routing. To finish, confirm stable audio and set preferred volumes. You can control volume from the source or ask the Nest Mini for slight adjustments. If audio drops or the Mini won't appear, first stop playback on other paired devices, then forget the Nest Mini in Bluetooth settings and repair. This clears stale links. If problems continue, reboot your phone and power cycle the Nest Mini. As a last resort, reset the Mini's network settings in the Google Home app to restore Bluetooth functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.